So every day, Apple and Google Photos like to send me a bunch of pictures, travel memories, bad selfies, but mostly just random pictures of my dogs. And every once in a while, I love watching those because they remind me of how my life was back then and all of those past experiences. But at the same time, I feel a bit sad that I didn't record more of them. I had so many great adventures, so many great moments, and so many beautiful places that I've been to that I wish I recorded on video. But now they only exist on my memory. But I guess it's better late than never, right? I was thinking about doing the rest of the video up here in the mountains, but I forgot that it's December and it's freezing. It's way too cold. I can't feel my hands. But look at this view. Let's go back home. You know, the problem with training so much is that I'm hungry all the time. So even though I didn't do any video, I did journal on and off for the past 6 years. And it has been one of those habits that has had a big impact in my life. My mind is usually a mess of ideas, thoughts, worries, and to-do lists. And the only way I have to clear and process all of that information and put those thoughts into paper or at my computer. But I'll leave that topic for another video. Because I could be giving you a bunch more good reasons why you should document your life, just like all the other YouTube videos do. But the main reason why I'm doing this is to challenge myself and to force myself to do more. Because I've been working remotely for most of my professional life, and even though it's great and I love the freedom and not having to commute to an office every day, it does feel like I'm living life on autopilot and I'm just staying home all day. Days and weeks go by where I just work, run, go to the gym, then sleep, and repeat the same cycle again. And while that's okay and I feel like I'm slowly making progress, I also feel that I could be making a lot more with my life and creating a lot more opportunities for myself. And also having a lot more fun in the process. Because staying home all day is not fun. So I guess that's my main motivation to be doing this. To create more moments for myself and to build a life that's worth documenting. And I think that's why you should do it too. To do more cool stuff, to create better memories for your future self. And of course, if you want to follow this journey, make sure you subscribe. Cheers!